beautiful people, if you wanna learn how to make a hair extension, you're in the right place. So I had these natural hair bundles. This is 100% Brazilian hair from Golden Perfect, and I've had these bundles for a while and I didn't know what to do with them, so I decided to make an hair extension. So all you're going to need is a thread, a needle, and this circular thing that can be bought at a shop. I'll leave the link down below, and you just sew your weave bundles in a circular motion because we're going to make an hair extension. And before you start, please watch the video till the end, and before you also start sewing in a circular motion, leave some space because we are going to need that for putting the elastic band for your hair extension. So I did not do home science, so my sewing is just basically freestyle. I do not know which stitch I am using, but it gets the work done and I love it for that. So that's all I know. So just find a way to sew the bundles into the circular thing, and don't worry, the thread was resisting because of some hair that was cutting it. So this is part of the process. You just have to be patient and do it as much as it takes. So you're going to sew your bundles around the circular hair extension band. This is where the hair gets attached, and you sew in a circular motion. I'm insisting because this is how you want your hair extension to look like. So this is it after I was done, and this is how the middle part looked like. I just went in a circular motion until I was at the middle part, and this is how it looks like. So the reason why I told you to leave some space is for this part, because we are going to have to add an elastic rubber band, and in order for us to do that, we need to sew around it so that we can make a hole for our elastic band to go into it. And then again, you'd see me using another stitch. Like I said, not a home science student, but I really find a way to get things done, and as long as the thread and the needle and the material stick together, I do not have any complaints. So you want to sew this around the hair in circular motion as well, because we're going to put the elastic rubber band in it, and it's going to, if the thread gets a resistance, just because of hair. So while you're sewing, leave a space for where you're going to insert the thread and insert it all around the hair. And as you can see, this is what you want to have by the end of it all. So I'm going to use a pin to insert my rubber band into the circular space that I left, and this is how it will look like, and this is how it turned out. So this hair extension looks nice, and I like it because it is 100% natural hair, and it just turned out so great. Look at this. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for my supporters. I love you so much. This was the final result. Stay tuned in my channel and join the fam to watch me use this hair extension in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.